Hey, friends! I am so excited to share with you how to use the Boards app and Chat GPT absolutely free. So, if you've got the Boards app, which everyone in here should, you're allowed, if it's a free version, you have one option to have one active board, okay? So this is going to take a little bit of work, so extra steps, but you can use it absolutely free. Also with the free board, you can link it to your keyboard, but you're only going to be able to do 10 shares. So what does that mean? You're only going to be able to send 10 messages. You're only going to be able to send 10 things from that board using the keyboard. So instead of giving yourself that headache and hassle, let's just do it the free way to begin with. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and I'm going to show you how to use the Boards app absolutely free. And like I said, it is going to take a little bit of work, but you will get the gist of it. Okay? So here we go. Let me share my screen with you. Give me a second. I've got to make sure that it connects. Alrighty, here we go. So, um, for the board, now, mind you, I have a million boards, so please bear with me. Say somebody wants product information about the Happy Coffee. Okay. You're going to go into info. Now, granted, there's probably a bunch of different infos. Pick which one sounds best that sounds like you. I'm just going to go for the simplicity sake. I'm just going to go with info one. You're literally going to have to highlight everything, click copy, exit out of your boards app, go to your messenger, go to the person you are going to message, and click paste. All right. So there we have it. I sent this person, myself, the information about Happy Coffee. Now, if they want ingredients or they want more information, you can go back to the board, click on the photo, take a screenshot of the photo. So that means you're going to hold down your power and volume button at the same time. Then you've got that screenshot. So make sure you clean up your screenshot so it doesn't have that black background to it and it doesn't look like a screenshot. So you're going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to click done and save to my photos. I'm going to exit out of the board. I'm going to go back to my messenger. I'm going to add the photo of Happy Coffee. And there you go. They now have the information that they can click on the photo. They can zoom in and read the information as well as look at any and all ingredients that this product has to offer. Okay. Now, say someone wants, the clinical studies, or I don't have the clinical studies for the Happy Coffee, but I do for flat. So say they want the clinical studies. So basically, I'm just going to copy this link. Oh, it won't let me do it. Hold on. Um, okay, there we go. You gotta like highlight a different, like away from the link, but copy and then exit your board, go back to your messenger, send that link, and there they go. They can get the clinical study of the DE 111, which is in our flat. Okay. So everything that's in the board, you can share. You just have to copy and paste it. If it's photos, you have to take a screenshot and clean it up. Um, if there's something that you don't know how to do in regards, I think everything on boards is just you're going to copy and paste and send. You're going to highlight it, the information that you want to send. You're going to copy it. You're going to exit the board. You're going to go to your messenger or your text messages or wherever you message, and you're going to paste it in there. Okay. Same with like photos. Again, you're not going to copy and paste it, but you are going to take a screenshot, clean it up, and send it. So that's how you're going to use boards for free. So, um, Chat GP, I always get it wrong. Chat GPT is a free app already. Just go to your app store, if it's Google Play Store or Apple App Store, just search Chat GPT and you'll see it's this white it's a square, it's got a white circle with interlocking pieces to it. That's Chat GPT. So if I open this, you can use this absolutely free, okay? So say you want to create a post about this opportunity, and you can say, create a post about being skeptical of starting a or an online health and wellness business. Create a post about being skeptical of starting an online health and wellness business. Click the arrow. Now it's going to send all this stuff. However, I wasn't as specific as what I wanted it to do. So, you could post this. However, you can change it up to make it yourself, or you can tell ChatGPT, um, shorten the post above. You can tell it to shorten it. There you go. Lots shorter. You can tell it to change it. Change this post 25%. And it's going to change it up for you. And it's also going to keep it streamlined. Now, see if you like, say you see a top leaders post and you really like what they had to say, but you want to change it. Say, change this post 25% and then paste the post. So for instance, I'm going to go to, um, let's see, Jill Peterson. She's a leader in this business. So I'm going to look for one of her posts. She does a lot of stories. Um, no, no. I need something that's like, she's really good. Here we go. So I'm going to do this, copy, and I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, change this post 20%. Paste. I'm going to take out her phone number. Boom. Well, obviously we can't say, we should not be saying Ozempic or Wegovy, but um there's a different way of posting it. Okay? And then so that's how you use ChatGPT. Now, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a meal plan to help someone lose 30 pounds in 90 days. So remember our 30-day drop? We want them to be using it for 3 months, which is roughly 90 days. So I'm going to do this, and it's going to, since I've already asked it, it says memory updated, but here is a guideline that you can send them. You can also send them sample meal plan. Okay. And then you can send this all as an email. And then it's going to ask you usually at the end, do you want me to put a grocery list together? Grocery list. So I'm going to click grocery list, and then it's going to get give me a grocery list of things that they can purchase from the store to kind of keep them in line with their goals. Now, um, this grocery list should last 1 to 2 weeks, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so you can ask ChatGPT really anything and you can help your customers. And literally all you do to use this is you can copy, exit, go to your email, go to whatever app you're going to go to. I don't think I would send that in a message like in Messenger. That would be more of an email style for me. Or you can copy it onto a Word document, make a Word document so you're not having to copy and paste it for a bunch of different people. You already have it in a Word document and you can send it to your future customers that way. So, that is how I use ChatGPT. You can tell it about our products and tell it to create a post about X, Y, and Z, which includes this, this, and this. Okay. If you can tell it what tone you want it to be in. So if you're looking for distributors that are between the ages of 30 and 40, you can say, write this post in the tone of a 35-year-old female. If you want to get even more specific, you can say, put it in the tone of a college student who's also a single mother. You can target those posts to that specific audience. So that is the blessing and the wonderful thing about ChatGPT is because honestly, we don't want to be copying and pasting everybody's, like if we see all these copy and pasted posts on Facebook, Facebook recognizes that as, okay, this is inauthentic. It's not going to push your content out. Our goal is to get as many people on our content as possible. And in order to do that, you have to be authentic. You have to stand out. You can't just do copy and paste, copy and paste. ChatGPT is also good for making memes, giving you quotes, like inspirational quotes if you're looking for something like that. Of course, I use Pinterest for photos. I just say, like if I'm looking for pictures of coffee, I put coffee aesthetic. If I'm looking for background, like colored backgrounds, I go colorful background aesthetic. If I'm looking for friendship, like just random pictures of friendship. I put friendship photos, aesthetic. Um, that word aesthetic, when you're searching for things, also helps give you more pleasing to the eye images than just run-of-the-mill images as well. So I hope you guys found that this was helpful. Like I said, boards, don't let it overwhelm you. Just make sure that when you're giving that information, anything that's in here, you can copy and paste, take a screenshot, clean up that screenshot, and then send it. Um, Everything in here is free for you to use. Like I said, you're just allowed to have one board active and use that board to your advantage. Okay. If it says someone's name in it and they're not talking to a Sally Sue, make sure you're changing it to the person's name that you're sending it to before you click send. Um, that's it. That's all we've got in regards to ChatGPT and boards and how to use them both for absolutely $0 and 0 coins out of your pocket. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day and we will see you next time. Bye.